What if you could launch money-making marketing campaigns using AI even if you've never written a single ad or email before, in under 10 minutes and $50 budget? Hey one-clickers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out something that's honestly creating quite a buzz, and that's the AI Marketers Club by John Crestani. It's a brand new program that claims to hand you ready-made tools powered by AI, so you can start running affiliate campaigns and online promos without needing any tech skills or a team, or even knowing how to write copy. It's beginner-friendly, comes with super low risk, but is it too good to be true, or is it actually a smart shortcut for lazy marketers like us? Let's break it all down. As impractical as this program might sound, the excellently built features make this an ideal solution. Here's how. AI-powered campaigns. Run ad and email campaigns using built-in AI tools without writing a single line yourself. Plug-and-play funnels. Use ready-to-deploy funnels and landing pages designed to convert. Beginner-friendly setup. No complex dashboards or marketing jargon. Just follow a few simple steps. Low-budget friendly. Start with as little as $50 and still run high-converting affiliate campaigns. Community access. Join a private space to learn from others and get feedback on your campaigns. Built-in product finder. Discover high-ticket affiliate offers that actually pay well and convert. Want to know how the absolute beginners are getting perfect at the drill in 5 simple steps? Have a look. Step 1. Join the club, get instant access to the AI-powered dashboard and tools for just $27 and unlock your affiliate marketing toolkit. Step 2. Pick a product. Use the built-in affiliate finder to choose a high-converting offer in any niche you like, from finance to fitness or even side hustles. Step 3. Launch an AI campaign. Let the tools write your emails, add copy, and landing page content for you, then plug everything into a ready-made funnel. Step 4. Set it live, run your campaign with zero guesswork, and start reaching people without needing paid ads or a big budget. Step 5. Rinse and scale. Keep testing offers and doubling down on what works, and use the weekly strategies and templates to scale fast without burning out. The best part? The entire AI Marketers Club is just $27, a one-time payment with no monthly fees to worry about. And if it's not what you expected or it doesn't click with your goals, you're covered by a 60-day money-back guarantee with no questions asked. Just request a refund and you're good. Is the AI Marketers Club worth a shot? If you want to launch high-converting affiliate campaigns without writing a single ad or email and start making up to $500 a day using AI tools with just 10 minutes of effort each week, then this is the shortcut you should definitely try right now. Anyways, this deal won't last forever and prices may rise soon. So, if it sounds like your thing, grab your access now at the best price. Links in the description.